Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a little unboxing of the Elgato Facecam 4K. This is a webcam that I've been using for the past few months now and decided to get a second one. So everything you're watching in this video is actually being recorded with the Elgato Facecam 4K. I got this second one because I'm looking to do kind of a top-down shot as well, so I can switch back and forth between the two different webcams. So I'll give you an idea of what you're in for. Let's get into the main box here. Okay, so basic box here. This one's empty now. I'm gonna open up this side here. Okay, looks like we have our basic USB-C cable. It is both USB-C on both sides, and it looks to be a decent length. I'd say this is about a 5 to 6 foot cable or so. It's nice and braided, so that's very thick. It's always good to have nice quality cables. You're gonna get a little bit of a booklet here. I guess this is maybe like a user manual. I didn't have to use the manual. It's pretty straightforward with setting this thing up. Now this piece here, this is your clamp. This is basically going to, it's got a little thread here. So you're gonna mount your webcam onto this. And then this part here on the bottom, essentially is where you're going to clamp this onto your screen. So if you want to have this on your laptop or whatever your computer monitor might be, you essentially mount it to this. You can see on the bottom there, it's got the thread, so you can pull this up and you can tighten it as much as you want, mount it to this thing. And then this essentially has like a little bit of a rubber grip on the bottom. This piece will sit on your mount of whatever your computer monitor is, and then you can have your webcam facing you. Now, my webcam, Facecam 4K, is actually on a desk clamp. So if you have any sort of DSLR camera tripod or anything that you would normally mount a camera to, that will work as well. So this right here gives me a shot off to the side. If I'm looking at my computer monitor, it is straight ahead, but I like to have kind of everything off to the side. If I do straight on, that's kind of more like Zoom calls and stuff. So I mainly have it for that. Now, when I'm doing the overhead mount, I'll use a similar desk mount there. Now let's just get into the last thing in this box here is the actual webcam. So in this paper bag here, the rest of it, you can see it's got a nice little mold for it, but that's essentially all you get in the box. So I'm going to take this piece of tape off, revealing our nice little webcam here. It's extremely light, so if you haven't seen this thing before, all you have is basically the thread. So you can, like I said, you can mount this. So the one that I'm using right now, it is about this high off of my desk. It is mounted on a little tripod monopod stand off of my desk. And then the only thing on the back is a basic USB-C port. You can see there's little grills there for, I guess they have internal fans. But I've been very pleased with this webcam. Again, it is the 4K version. I record most of my stuff in 1080p, 60 frames a second. I don't see the need to go 4K at this moment, but you can certainly go that route if you want to. Another thing too is that it does not pass audio. So there's no microphone on the camera. It doesn't zoom in and zoom out. So just be aware of that. Very much this was created to be basically a webcam. So this is meant to sit on your computer screen or this distance away, and you can have just high quality video, no frills, anything like that. Now there is an app that you download. It is from Elgato itself. It's called the Elgato Camera Hub. It's a free app, Elgato Camera Hub. And with that, you can go in, you can tweak your ISO settings, the sharpness, the color. But the best thing that's going to make this thing work really well is that you have good quality studio lights. That was the thing I recommend if you're looking into getting into this. The way you're going to get the best out of it, the most out of it, is have good quality studio lights. Other than that, it's just very simple. There's some things you can put on accessory wise, but I've been very pleased with the Elgato Facecam 4K.